In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage default invoice settings in Xero. First, sign into your Xero account so you have access to your organization's settings. From the main dashboard, head to the Sales area, then choose Invoices. This is where your customer invoices live, and it's the quickest path to the settings we want. Open any existing invoice. It doesn't matter which one because we're only using it as a doorway to the settings. In the Invoice view, look for the More Options menu, shown as 3 dots. Click that, then select Invoice Settings. You'll land on a page where all the key defaults for your documents are managed. Next, click Default Settings to focus on the options that control how new invoices, bills, credit notes, and quotes behave right out of the gate. Start with the Payment Terms section. This is where you define how due dates are calculated automatically, which saves time and keeps your terms consistent. Configure the bills. Default due date to match how you pay your suppliers. For example, you might prefer a set number of days from the bill date. Setting this once helps maintain predictable cash outflows and reduces late payment risk. Then configure the sales invoice's default due date for your customers. Choose the time frame you use most often, such as a certain number of days after the invoice date. Clear, consistent terms reduce confusion and improve on-time payments. Remember, these are just defaults. You can still adjust individual documents when needed. Scroll down to Automatic Sequencing. Here, update your invoice prefix and next number. The prefix helps categorize documents at a glance, like INV for invoices, and the next number sets where the sequence continues from. Make sure the next number doesn't conflict with existing invoices to avoid duplicates. If your business also issues credit notes, purchase orders, or quotes, review and update their prefixes as needed so everything stays aligned and easy to track. Once set, Xero will automatically increment each new document number, keeping your records organized without manual effort. Next, review the quote expiry date settings. Setting a default expiry keeps your offers time-bound, prompts timely decisions from customers, and prevents outdated prices from being accepted later. Choose a time frame that fits your sales cycle and product or service delivery. When you're satisfied with all your choices, click Save. From now on, new documents will use these defaults automatically, while you retain the flexibility to tweak individual items as needed. With these settings in place, you'll streamline your workflow and keep your invoicing consistent and professional.